back with another video. Today in this video I'm going to review Montion OS, and which is perfectly based on Lineage OS, and you guys already know about Lineage OS, how capable is that custom ROM. And let's get started with the settings. And you guys already know about Lineage OS stability, so as it is this one also very stable, and which is newly named Montion OS. But here we have the Android version 12L, and of course latest security update September 5 2022, and vendor security patch level September 5 to 2022 as well. So we have kernel here Lineage OS Plus, which is perfectly capable doing any task. So then we have system as usual, something new, and which is device settings, but we don't have that feature in Lineage OS. That means the official Lineage OS 1, where we don't have that feature. So they have included here in my sound enhancer, and while listening to music using headphone, you guys will be able to choose headphone type, and huge types are there. And of course you guys can use that feature in a loudspeaker as well, and you guys can choose some presets. And then we have here the ambient display, and these things are really working fine, I checked. And then we have FPS overlay and display color calibration. If you want to do that, of course you guys can do according to your choice. Then we have thermal profiles and clear speaker feature. These are the feature, or actually you guys already watched that feature in so many custom ROMs, so I just don't want to waste your time here. And then we have the status bar and show seconds and AM/PM style, battery percentage, brightness slider, that's thing. Then we have other things like security, only we have the fingerprint and nothing more. Then we have accessibility and wallpaper and style, let me show you. And we have by default that wallpapers. Then we have the dark theme and upgrade, and even we don't have the themed icons here. So let's jump into display setting. Here we have some things like and font, which I'm using Rubik. Only 4 fonts are available, and font size can be customizable. And we have display size and icon shapes can be selected, and live display and night light, and these things are working fine, and color calibration as well. And other things, double tap to wake, and everything is working fine, I already tested. Then we have battery and other things like battery. We have some features like view users for past 24 hours. You guys can check that users last 24 hours. And item manager, which is really cool thing, stop all non-essential background process when the device is idle, and battery backup is really great. And other things like network settings, you guys already know about that, and I already showed it in so many videos. Now let's talk about the smoothness and other things, and should we update this ROM or not. And if you are using the previously I did a review of that ROM, and which is Moki OS. If you are using that one, then you don't need to update, or you don't need to change. And if you are using other ROM, then of course you guys can go with it. But remember one thing, safety net is not passed by default, as it is based on Lineage OS. So that's why, because Lineage OS never comes with safety net pass. You guys need to pass the safety net by default using manual method, and I will drop a link in description. You guys can watch that video, and easily you guys can pass the safety net, so that's not a problem, I guess. The smoothness just mind-blowing, there is no complaint about that thing. Next level smoothness. Yeah, even not a single lag and stutter in control center and other things, everything is just awesome, perfectly working, no issues. Now let's talk about the home settings, and which is really very poor customizable. And just we have important thing, hidden application and protected apps. That means you guys can hide an application according to your choice. So that's it and nothing more. And I'm using here light gaps, and which is unique gaps core 1. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So thank you for watching.